Hi Year 1. Now today in geography we are going to be looking at recognising the features of a hot and a cold place. We're going to look at Antarctica, deserts and rainforests today. Now look at these pictures. Can you describe what you can see in each of the photos? Here's a vocabulary bank to help you think of some words to describe what you can see. Tell your grown-up a sentence about each one. Can you tell your grown-up which of these is a hot place and which of these is a cold place? How do you know? You can pause the video here if you like and carry on afterwards. Okay, so Antarctica was the cold place and the Sahara Desert was the hot place. Okay, now Izzy has travelled to Antarctica. What do you think she will see while she's there? Look at the pictures and tell your grown-up what you think she will see while she is in Antarctica. You can pause the video while you tell them. Okay, so she's going to see some snow, an iceberg, a sea ice, like the ice caps that float along the sea, a ship, an orca whale, or a killer whale you might call them, penguins and rocks. Did you get any of them right? What kind of weather do you think Izzy will experience in Antarctica? Tell your grown-up. I think it would be very cold, wouldn't it? Maybe snowy and windy. Okay, now Izzy has travelled to some hot deserts around the world. What do you think she will see? Can you tell your grown-up something that's happening in the pictures, things that you can see in the pictures? You can pause the video here if you like. Okay, we can see a tent, a nomad. Now, a nomad is like a person who lives away from everybody else. They live by themselves. They do things their own way. You can see a desert fox, some grass, some sand dunes, which are like sandy mountains or hills, cacti, and mountains. What type of weather do you think Izzy will experience in these hot deserts? I think it'd be very, very sunny, wouldn't it? And dry. It might be windy sometimes too. Now, Izzy has also travelled some rainforests around the world. What do you think she will see? Tell your mum or your dad or whoever you're learning with today. We can see some people, some rain, some trees, a toucan, some other birds, some other animals maybe, and a river. What type of weather do you think Izzy will experience in the rainforest? I think it would be very rainy, but very hot as well. Now, Izzy wants to tell her friends all about what she has seen in hot and cold places. Can you help her sort the words that she needs to use? Tell your grown-up where all of the words at the bottom might go. I'll read them for you. Antarctica, Sahara, sand dune, orca whales, iceberg, cactus, camel, snow, ice, emperor penguins. Let's look at the first one. Oh, no, sorry, they all move together. So Sahara, sand dune, and cactus and camel all belong in the hot place. In the cold place we've got icebergs, Antarctica, orca whales, snow, ice, and emperor penguins. Now we're going to play a game now. Try and work out what I am using the least amount of clues. I have a wide range of animals living here. Okay, so that means they have lots of different animals living there. Do you think you know what it is? If you think you know what it is, shout out the answer. I'll give you another clue if you're not sure. It is hot here, but it also rains a lot. Oh, I think that I've guessed it. Do you think you know what it is yet? I'll give you one more clue. I have lots of trees. Hopefully you all definitely know the answer now. It's a rainforest. Well done if you got that right. Okay, now I want you to have a go at doing an activity here. I want you to describe what you can see in each picture. Do you think it is a hot or a cold place? So for our first picture, I want you to write a sentence, tell me what you can see, and then say whether it is a hot or a cold place. So if it was a picture of St. Clair's, you might say, I can see children playing in the playground. It is quite a cold place. But we don't have St. Clair's on here. We have a picture of Antarctica, another picture of Antarctica, and a hot desert, and a rainforest. So I want you to think of a sentence for each picture and tell me whether it's a hot or a cold place. And you can submit that on Google Classroom, that worksheet. Okay?